Now let's talk about blending modes. We'll go right here to the Ninja folder and take a look at the individual layers that have the ninjas. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 of them. And if you click on each one of them, right here is your blending layers palette. And what we're going to do is we're going to do different blending modes on each one of these ninjas, and we'll hide each one so I can show you exactly what's going on. So for the moment right now, what we're looking at is a ninja with a normal on one layer, another ninja with lumosity set as a blending mode, another one set as saturation, and another one set as overlay. Now, we will look as we eliminate each layer to see how they're affecting it. Now, the first layer, overlay, is giving a nice ghosted effect. You can basically see a shadow form, if you will. And then overlapping that with the saturation more or less enhances that quality. Then we overlay that with a lumosity layer, which lightens it up and adds in some more interest. And then we finally put this together, overlaid with a normal. Now, how is that affecting everything? If we were to take each one of these things out, you can see how the effect is slightly different. And what we've done here is we've added in a layer mask. And if you hold down the command key, you can see that it will select the areas of the mask itself. And if you hold down the Alt key, it will actually show you the layer mask without any of the image. Now if you go back, you can see by holding down the Alt key once again and clicking on the layer mask, you can see the differences that's going on there. Now that little mask is basically allowing the face to show through. So essentially what we're doing with this is we're getting several different effects going on for just the face, and all the rest of it is being overlaid with a normal shot on that layer. So all that we're looking at here that's being affected by all these individual blending modes is just the face. So as you can see, if we were going to change this look, we could simply change it by changing the blending mode. Let's see if we can find another blending mode. There's the blending mode there, exclusion. Both of these are exclusion. Now the idea with exclusion is that it changes it from a normal photo and goes into exclusion and allows this transparent feel that's going on where you can get the background to show through in the shadow areas of the image. So there's different ways to play with blending modes that allow unusual effects. So that pretty much covers blending modes. Up next, we shall be discussing layer masks.